Hello everyone, today we're going to be showing you a Ninja Creami recipe that is sure to tantalize your taste buds.
We're going to use fresh watermelon and we'll show you how to make a very quick, easy and refreshing watermelon sorbet.
So let's not waste any time, let's get into the recipe.
For this recipe, you're going to need an immersion blender, 500 grams of watermelon in chunks, the juice of 1 lime or lemon, approximately 3 tablespoons of agave nectar, and last but not least, you're going to need a creamy pint. This one is the deluxe size. If you'd like to make your sorbet in the standard size creamy, check out the description box to find out the measurements for that. First up, we're going to add half of our watermelon chunks into the pint. Next, we're going to use the immersion blender to give that a little blitz. Next, we're going to add the rest of the watermelon. Now we're going to add the lemon juice and 3 tablespoons of agave nectar. And the final step, another blitz. Now we're going to add a lid onto the pint, and in the freezer it goes for 24 hours.
So we are back, it's been 24 hours, now let's take this for a spin. So we're going to turn it on, set it to full, sorbet, and off we go.
If you're enjoying this video so far and you'd like to see more Ninja Creami videos, why not subscribe?
Okay, so it's done. Let's check it out. Okay. Bit crumbly at the moment. Definitely a respin. Back in it goes. And then we're going to do a respin again. Okay, respin's finished. Let's check it out now. Still looks crummy or crumbly. Powdery. That's a good word, powdery, yeah. Right, so we're just going to flatten it out before we put it in again. So it should look a bit more level now. Okay, third time lucky. Please. Let this be the one. So, looks a lot smoother now. Really smooth.
Now it's had 2 respins and it was still looking a little bit powdery, but if you take a spoon and sort of level it out a little bit, it looks quite smooth. So now it's time for the taste test.
Well, I don't like watermelon, so. No.
If you like watermelon, you're gonna like it.
If you don't like cucumber, you won't like it. I don't like it, personally, that's my opinion. Win for Maria, it's a no from me.
If you'd like to see more Ninja Creami content, then click the link on the screen now.
Thanks for tagging along, and we'll see you again on the next video.